How to use honey for sore throat. A sore throat is not at all a welcome health condition to anyone. Speaking becomes a rigorous task. The condition of a sore throat is also known as pharyngitis. When the mucous membrane, those lines along the pharynx, gets inflamed, it causes a sore throat. The inflammation can be a result of viral or bacterial infection. Having a sore throat is not the end of the world. It is quite a common issue that is suffered by the major part of the population at some point of time. You do not always have to turn to heavy antibiotics to get rid of a sore throat. You can try natural remedies like using honey to overcome this problem. Is honey good for sore throat? If you have any doubt regarding the ability of honey in curing sore throats, then you can go through the benefits of using honey given below. It will assure you that honey is a very good remedy for any sore throat. Honey is antibacterial in nature. It fights the infection-causing bacteria. It contains an enzyme called glucose oxidase that effectively eradicates the infection. It is also antiseptic and speeds up the healing process. Being hypertonic, osmotic honey helps to reduce the inflammation by drawing out the excess water or fluid from the inflamed tissue. This reduces pain as well. Honey is able to soothe the irritation caused within the internal glands and the mucous membranes. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce swelling and inflammation. Lemon and honey for sore throat. 1 lemon cut in halves. 1 cup of raw honey. 4 cups of water. In a saucepan, boil the water and drop the 2 halves of the lemon. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes so that the water reduces. Allow it to cool for a few minutes. Squeeze it out to extract the juice in a glass container. Add the honey and stir it well. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Consume 2 tablespoons of this mixture every 3 hours. Repeat regularly till healed. Citric acid in lemon breaks the mucus and makes healing faster. Cinnamon and honey for sore throat. 1 teaspoon of honey. 6 drops of cinnamon oil. Add the 2 ingredients together. Consume this mixture at once. Do not drink water for the next 30 minutes. Repeat this method 4 times daily. What is the best honey for sore throat? Buckwheat honey is mostly recommended while making a cure for a sore throat. If it is not available, you can always opt for the organic or raw honey. Organic honey and raw honey are also quite good options when you are looking for the best type of honey to get rid of your sore throat. They are equally useful and effective. These are some of the methods of using honey to prepare home remedies to cure a sore throat at home. If the problem is not healed, then consult a doctor at once. If you are suffering from diabetes, then consult your doctor before opting for these remedies. Your health could be adversely affected. If you liked this video, share it with others and subscribe to the channel.